Welcome to the Q2B Paris. Paulo Sérgio Feneric, Editor-in-Chief of Quantum Information Technology Journal.
So the conference has been created in 2017. Originally it was the Silicon Valley event. Then we created the Tokyo event in 22 and the Paris event in 23. And the whole purpose of Q2B is to bring all the stakeholders of quantum, from academics to end users through, of course, quantum vendors, to build a roadmap to quantum value and start creating business around quantum. And what's at the root of Q2B is that at the time of creation of the conference, there were a lot of conferences around quantum, but very academic ones, and there was room for a more business-oriented conference. So that's the whole purpose of Q2B, bringing together academics, governments, quantum vendors, and end users to make quantum business move forward.
In terms of government sector, what are the representatives here today?
So today we have, well, it's not really a government representative, but we had Nicolas Dufourcq, the CEO of BPI France, the French National Investment Bank. And we had Bruno Bonnel, the head of he's the General Secretary for Investment in charge of the France 2013 plan. So these are the people that we are having at this edition of Q2B.
In this morning and during the first sessions, what are the main highlights you would like to comment on?
Well, I think the announcements made by Nicolas Dufourcq about the huge investments of France in favor of quantum are, I think, the highlight for now. There are sessions running right now, and I'm sure that all our speakers from Quare, Equal One, and we also had the Italian National Strategy will have a lot of groundbreaking announcements for our crowd.
So again, in the name of the Quantum Information Technology Journal at Rivers Publishers, we thank you for the opportunity of being here in Paris covering. It's an excellent event, and we look forward to see you again soon.
Yeah, thank you very much, and we very look forward to have you with us at Silicon Valley on December 9, 10, and 11, and then in Tokyo in June 4 and 5 at the Tokyo Grand Hyatt. Thank you very much.
Thank you, John.
Hi, I'm Natansh. I work for Ware Corporation. I'm a quantum machine learning researcher, and I provide solutions to companies with quantum machine learning techniques and quantum chemistry solutions. We work with a lot of companies in the pharmaceuticals, in finance, in automobiles, and provide industrial use case solutions using quantum neural networks and related techniques. Been working with clients like Boehringer Ingelheim, Covestro, Roche, AstraZeneca. Something which we have worked with a lot is doing some clinical data imputation. We have also worked on medical image classification and diagnosis of medical problems, and other fields. We have worked with finance companies like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan's, Itaú, all these financial institutions. We have worked with them on topics like credit risk analysis, on churn prediction, on hedging across various portfolios. In automobiles and automotive, we have worked with Airbus and BMW on anomaly detection parts, on detecting defects in the 3D printed parts and such material design problems as well.
Welcome to Quandela. So Quandela is a leader in photonic quantum technologies, in quantum computing to be more specific. And what we do is we speed up, make more energy efficient, more accurate on your high performance computing computations. What you see here is the heart of our quantum computers. It's our single photon source. So this is shining light, single photon, one by one, and sending them through a photonic chip that will process information, and that will then be detected again in this device. And that's how we do quantum computation at Quandela. We're based in Paris region, and we have offices in Munich, Germany, Montreal, Canada, and in South Korea, in the Republic of in Seoul, in the Republic of South Korea. Q2B for us is a great opportunity to, first of all, network with the community. We know a lot of people around. We see familiar faces, and so it's always good to connect with people we work with or potential clients. It's also an opportunity to see what the competitors are doing. So what are the other hardware providers developing? What are the new algorithms, so that we keep in touch and stay on par of what's the state of the art in quantum technologies.